us. Don't you let no one take us away. It's tonight. We'll be young till the day awaits. Just don't let daylight find us. Don't let daylight find us.
Okay, there's an emergency. Let's go. Find my shoes. Okay, we gotta take these stairs.
Let's go! Let's go!
No, it's serious. Shit.
Attention! Attention! An emergency has been reported in this
Okay,
building.
open the door.
Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway.
Okay.
Do not use
I don't have my wallet.
Repeat.
Wait a second.
Do not use elevators.
Okay. Hop, hop, hop. Do not use the elevators. Take the stairs.
Up there.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go. Let's go, guys. Something serious now. Do you have your phone? We're now at the third floor. Let's go. Shit. What's happening? Okay.
Wait, Ma.
We gotta find our parents. Hi.
How you doing?
Good, you? Did you hear what they said?
Okay, bye.
So, in front? What front?
Go.
I don't know, dude. Is this still filming?
Okay, that's the same.
Thank you. Okay. Where are they at? I don't know where our parents. I don't know where are my parents, but anyway. Oh, this view is crazy. I don't know if something was true about the alarm, but I got so scared. Honestly, I got so scared. This is crazy. Okay.
Let's do it. Okay.
Okay, we'll just sit and wait for them. Hopefully the door is closed properly. Subscribe right now to our channel. I just want to get as much as support I can have. Yeah?
Pas l'air d'une joke, c'est un alarme de feu.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils ont dit?
Pas l'air d'une joke.
Ils ont dit c'est une joke.
You think someone's stuck in the elevator or what? Easy, bro.
Just subscribe,
This is crazy. Yeah, just subscribe right now. In Miami. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.